Iche kotomo pikipikin luda lemunta kwa punako Japan jika kederongete lo afao kesi lu. Ras kesi che kotoma o pikipikin na kesera lu kanyape amotoka na kanyape kai simun luda alemutu fao keda Japan kanwe gange Uganda aitiji emaase kodi sukte na kesera lu kanyape lu pacha je emaase tomam. Ilolo aminisa na chichi na ichorin Helen Adoa ngesa buwik ikopak district na lu asuro kita emaase okara lukumnyare keda kaisare ipikipiki ni akaisara nuni isimun lu apolo kakwata kedikanyape kaichedam abala minisa ebe ejaya Apugan aswamnu pu akapana kina tinga kin keda emaase araelo mu bakwa puok
ikorane akwatat isimuna akwatat kedikanyape aseta korar ipikipiki na kaisara luuni iso anwangon ikoto ai lipi bobetonga ebe pika kisaki kwa epika kisako nyoka anyu ni binyobi soma siri jotori na ara kanya pola palo pololo sodita kaisare ai lukumini yare kida kaisara luare alimor bobobe anyuno Somalia utas biboro lu aliat utas aliata bobo sekoto kwa na Uganda Acholi region, Teso region, Bugisu region, Sebei region. Ai pika kitaki kwa anyu nebe iboro lu keda konye iboro lu kotai. Si community si kiere ekoto kesa ikwen. Anyu nebe mamubo biboro lu pote. Ai telekarit kopa ne chaile makolo. Konye kwa na nege una bobedo aitep. Ogente ba kunere kirete speedy na rejiboro yene nyami. Elibeti nya, elibeti kui, konye kopani berbera sweet bale luana. Edede ngakolo.
Kala de jazz rakire emaase dam. Atupiton, Apollo kitona jakanto soroti, Jane Akirar, nyesi abala ebe, ingarakini kwa nagangata na, igirikachan, atinga kin, keda atokisho kwa pena tade kasine netito sira na kope kwa nam.
We are very grateful for that. We are here today to receive this, and we are very happy, as I already said. And I want to believe that it's going to enhance other activities related to agriculture, not only working for locals. The number of activities, one is going to increase the presence of the extension workers on the ground to ensure that even pest and disease control is going to be checked. So we are very grateful, and we are going to ensure that we put these equipment in good use.
Atupiton LC5 soroti Samuel Enangu ngesa balam edara pikipiki lu kai simun lu jokan tederimeda kini tungam.
Because that in most cases when we receive such items there is what we call operation and maintenance. It is upon the district and the district leaders. These things are treated well and maintained well. In these motorcycles, after 2-3 months, and we call them back here, he will tell this we are taken care of theirs very well. So it's upon us to make sure they are used properly for our benefit.
Dilax Emi Alomu, TV East, Koflying School, Koibuga Soroti.
Buko. Lamo. Kitibu.